Hi students, welcome back to @Valli Math channel. In this video, I am going to explain trigonometry 11.4 exercise third sum, that is under root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equals to secant A plus tan A. Secant A plus tan A. Here LHS is equals to under root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. RHS is equals to secant A plus tan A. Now we'll take LHS, then by simplifying LHS then we will get RHS. In this way we have to prove this. Okay, so LHS is equals to left hand side is equals to 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. These are irrational numbers. So these irrational numbers, first we have to rationalize them. How to rationalize? First we have to rationalize the denominator. Here in the denominator 1 minus sin A is there. In the middle symbol is minus. Opposite symbol is plus. So terms are same with different symbol, that is 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. With same number we have to multiply both the numerator as well as denominator to rationalize them. So in the numerator 1 plus sin A repeatedly came. So 1 plus sin A whole square. In the denominator 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. See, here one identity is there, that is A minus B into A plus B, which is equals to A square minus B square. In the numerator, split the numerator and denominator, because square root is applicable to both numerator and denominator. Here 1 plus sin A whole square. Square and root cancelled by, here in the denominator under root 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 square A square minus B square. A square minus B square. So 1 plus sin A by, here root cancel with square. That's why the leftover is 1 plus sin A by under root 1 minus 1 square is nothing but 1. 1 minus sin square A. We know that based on sin square A, we have an identity. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So sin square cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. By using that, we have to write instead of 1 minus sin square A, root cos square A. Square and root cancel. So 1 plus sin A by cos A. I told you already this, how did we get? Under root 1 minus sin square A is equals to cos square A. This I am writing here. How did we get this one? I already told you. Sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. This is trigonometric identity. So if I transpose this sin square A, the leftover is cos square A, which is equal to 1 minus sin square A. We used this one, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Then we got this. Instead of 1 minus sin square A, I wrote cos square A. Square and root cancel. Leftover is 1 plus sin A by cos A. Now this cos A is the denominator which is belongs to both the terms in the numerator. So 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Split the denominator for the numerator and denominator. So 1 by cos A means secant A. Sin A by cos A means tan A. This is RHS. You see right hand side in the question. In the question, what is the right hand side? Secant A plus tan A. Same we got now. So which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next problem is 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Here left hand side is 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. By simplifying this, we have to get tan right hand side. So left hand side LHS is equals to 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. Here we know the identity based on tan square A, but in that identity secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. By transposing tan square A, we'll get 1 minus 1 plus tan square A. But in this 1 minus tan square A is there. So we have to use trigonometric ratio. That is, tan means sine by cos. So 1 minus sine square A by cos square A. 1 minus sine square A by cos square A. Cot square A means cos square A by sine square A. Cot is the reciprocal of tan, so cos square A by sine square A. Here P by Q form. 1 cos square A LCM is cos square A. 1 divides cos square A times. So cos square A into 1 cos square A. Simple. This 1 divides cos square A, same cos square A times. Cos square A into 1. In the numerator cos square A is there, that's why. Now minus cos square A divides cos square A 1 time. So 1 into sine square A. Sine square A by same in the denominator also, here no number is there means 1 is there. So what is the LCM? Sine square A. Sine square A divides sine square A 1 time. 1 into cos square A, cos square A. 1 divides sine square A times. So sine square A. You see here also cos square A minus A. Here also cos square A minus sine square A. Both gets cancelled. This divides this one time. So leftover is 1 by cos square A by 1 by sine square A. So it will be 1 by cos square A divided by 1 by sine square A. Now write the reciprocal of this one and change the symbol. Whenever we are doing rational number division, if division symbol is there, it will become into and write the reciprocal of this. So sine square A by 1. 1 into sine square A, sine square A. Cos square A into 1 cos square A. We know that sine square A by cos square A means tan square A, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. So next problem is in the same exercise. Next problem is, what is the next problem? You know that here 1 by, see children, next problem. One by cos theta minus cos theta. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equals to tan theta into sin theta. Tan theta into sin theta. See here, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Left hand side, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is there. That we will take first. By simplifying it, we should get this one. So We know that it's very simple. Now here no number is there in the denominator means 1 is there. So we have to go for LCM method. Cos theta and 1 LCM is cos theta. Cos theta divides cos theta one time. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 divides cos theta times. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta by cos theta. See here, I am writing the sin square theta as sin theta into sin theta because square is there. So 2 times we can write same number. Why we are writing like that is for proving this one. So sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. We know that sin theta by cos theta means tan theta. Tan theta into sin theta. This is RHS, right hand side, hence proved.